What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm gonna do another Halloween and fall Dollar Tree haul. Kind of rhymes. So let's get started, guys. Okay, let's start with the fall. I found these cute little pumpkins, and as you see, they come in a cream color and an orange color, and they are like ties that you can put on wreaths or any other, DIYs. I thought they was cute. To me, the perfect size for this DIY that I'm going to do for you guys. And, hey, they can be used to me also like maybe like on your table scape, with your napkin holders or something like that. Y'all already know. I just think they're so freaking cute. Okay, I also got these decorative pumpkin picks, which I'm going to use in a flower arrangement, tabletop, what have you. And I thought these was cute as well. I like the texture on these. And that came in that size. And then I have some more cream ones, which of course, as you see, are smaller. And then I found these cute little pumpkins. I love that pattern, and of course, they're cloth. And I was like, okay, I'm for sure can do something with these cute little things. Ha! Come on, pumpkins. Since we're on a pumpkin theme, I also found these cute little pumpkin color your own ornament wooden pumpkins. And it comes with, of course, its own string too, if you want to do a banner or a tag. But I want to do a DIY with these that hopefully that y'all will enjoy. But pumpkins, these are cute. And for $1, guys, you get 8. Come on now. And I thought this cute little tin can, y'all, was too cute. And I'm going to actually use this for my floral arrangement with the picks and everything. Y'all, I'm not no floral arrangement expert, but we're going to do a little something. But look how cute. So it's on both sides, farm fresh pumpkins on both sides, guys. And you already know this could be, I don't want to say year round, but for of course, your whole fall season, Thanksgiving is coming, y'all. This will be super freaking cute for $1, guys. And this just to add to the floral arrangement in your fall theme. I thought these Gerber Daisies were cute to add to the mix with the colors. I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought these were sunflowers at first, and I still think they're sunflowers. But hey, they say it's Gerber Daisy, so whatever. But I love the color of them. And of course, I got some foam to put in our little can. And 4 came in this pack. I thought that was a pretty good deal for $1. And then some tulle, mush, what have you. Also give us that orange feel. Come on through, Mish. Y'all, I also found these cute little wooden trucks, as well as, I forgot what that's called, but that's not wood back there. That's whatever. But I thought this is so cute. You already know. And if you just use hot glue, this could be for all the holidays. You know how just put whatever in the back and decorate it as you wish. But I thought this was cute for this size. Then you do have this one. And with the pumpkins already attached. But y'all can add to it, make it farmhouse. Shoot, I mean, you could change the color, keep it natural, neutral, whatever. But I thought this was a good price and cuteness. And look how the 3D effect on it, making it pop. Come on, Dollar Tree, y'all coming through this year. Thought that was super cute. And then I have this one. This is paper, but it's very sturdy, guys. And once again, this could be any holiday. You know how they use the trucks for all the holidays. Just switch out what it's carrying. And so I have ideas what I want to do for the DIYs for all three of these trucks. So stay tuned for them DIY videos, guys. But I thought these was cute. Okay, guys, I think I showed this before, but hey, it's worth showing again. It's the metal words of thank you, harvest, and welcome. And for $1 in its metal, I think this is a very good deal. And these words can go on your wreaths, just by themselves. You can paint them. Man, y'all, you can use them as magnets or just anything. I just thought that was a good price for 3 metal words. And this thankful, harvest, and welcome could be used throughout the year. That's not just fall or Thanksgiving, So I thought that was a good deal. And so Dollar Tree also had like these cute little plaques, metal plaques, different shapes. And I thought it was a pretty good deal too for $1. It come already with the hanging thing, the twine, jute, however you want to word it. And once again, you could paint this. You could add the words I just showed y'all to this bad boy, make it like a 3D effect. So I want to do DIYs with pretty much everything that y'all seen. But hey y'all need to go check out Dollar Tree. I think this stuff is super cute and is very versatile that you can use it on as in any holiday. And then I found this transfer paper tape, and I've never used this before. And they only had this one, but I was like, hey, I'm willing to try it to see the quality. And I heard bad reviews for the vinyl itself, but I haven't heard any reviews for the actual transfer tape. So we're gonna see what it do. Y'all already know. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's worth it. But hey, it's $1, guys. So you can't go too wrong, in my opinion, for $1. Okay, now let's move to Halloween. I thought these Halloween socks was too freaking cute. And they're knee-high, so they're long or whatever. But I love Halloween. And if you ain't trying to get all dressed up but just want to feel festive, I feel like these socks would make it do what it do. So they have several choices to pick from. I just thought these was cute. Look how cute that ghost is. I'm going to put her on the right way. Look how cute she is. So you have her, and then you have the boy ghost. Yeah, I just thought that was too freaking cute. And instead of giving out candy, if you give out to your kids or whatever, I think this would be a good alternative, or mix it up a little bit. Come on, socks. They so cute. And to make cute little baskets or to hold your items, look how cute these little sashes, bags, whatever are. Come on, y'all. This is a burlap bag. It comes with its ties. Look at the details. And y'all could just use it, stuff it, and use it for decor too. You know what I'm saying? But come on. I think they are so cute. And can add a little sass to your little treats when you give them out. Come out a little fancy is what I was trying to say, but how cute is that? And it's 4 to a pack. Or the metal tins, y'all, cans. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. You could put like your floral arrangement in this bad boy, candy, whatever, guys. I just think that's cute, and that's a very good souvenir if you're having a party to give your guests, and they could use this. You know what else you could do? You could put a candle in this Jones. You could use these as candle holders if you make candles and sell them bad boys. Come on. I just love using items to get as much use as possible at the Jones. But I think these are cute and worth the cute little $1. That is cute. So these are the 3 styles I found in these containers. I also found these cute little hanging signs. Now, once again, if you're having a cute Halloween gathering or you just like to decorate or whatever, I think these are so cute. It's made out that same, like that, I don't know what you call it, particle board? I don't know what that mess is. More like, yeah, I think it's more particle board. But I don't know. But it's, eat, drink, and be scary. And then you got spooky greetings. You already know this is my favorite ones right here. Welcome to our haunted home. And the witch is in. And once again, y'all can use this for the centerpiece of your wreath or whatever, and hang it on your door. So I thought that was super cute. Okay, I thought this was so cute. These are all metal little decor pieces that to me will add the finishing touch to any Halloween decoration. And they rock at it. How cute that is. I really love the ghost. I love his colors. And I just think it stand out. For $1, guys, you gonna tell me that ain't the cutest? Now, this is super duper my favorite, y'all. The cute little cat. To me, this give a vintage feel. And it's a candle holder. And yeah. And they had a ghost one like this too. But since I got this ghost, I'm like, you know what? I don't need all those ghosts. But the ghost was cute too. And then a haunted house. Now, I love the haunted house. And once again, that's also a candle holder. Haunted house to me is super cute. I know y'all say you say that for everything, Kenya. I know I do. But look how cute they are. So I'm pretty sure if I could find it, y'all could find it. Now, I didn't see them at all Dollar Trees, but hey, I hope y'all can find these cute little items because I think they are so, so cute. And last but not least, I found these glow-in-the-dark beads. I saw these, this is not particular a new item, but I said for Halloween, I thought that would be so cute to add to your DIYs, just to get a little oomph to it, you know what I'm saying? But y'all know glow-in-the-dark could be used year-round. I love glow-in-the-dark items, but I'm like, for Halloween, go on and add you some glow-in-the-dark beads. I think that would be super cute. And for $100, I thought that was a nice price for $1. So go ahead and grab y'all up a pack of glow-in-the-dark beads. And there you have it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.